Alright you guys, so it's Keoshia and I'm back with another clean with me. Y'all, my office is just a hot mess. And now that I am starting to do like some of my capsule wardrobe videos, because you guys are interested in how I am styling like all of my pieces in my fall and winter capsule wardrobe, I need a place now to film full length like clothing videos. So right now, as you can see, I have my desk side by side. I have a clothing rack over here. I have two shelves over here, and it's just out in the open, and I want it to be more sectioned off. So I'm thinking about cleaning up and reorganizing my office today. So I'm going to not reorganize, but rearrange. That's the word. Rearrange my office today. So I'm thinking about moving my tea cart thing to the in between my bookshelves. Move my plant from over there to over here so that I can have like a better setup when I get ready to film my videos where I do my outfits, and that way I can, you know, still have the structure of an L-shaped desk to do my editing and stuff. So now that Vlogmas is over and I'm starting back to get into my normal routine, I need it to flow. I need this room to flow like I need it to flow, and right now it ain't doing that. So I'm gonna clean and reorganize at the same time. So let's get into the video. So what I'm about to do is go find me a basket. You know how you have one of those baskets where you have stuff in the room that doesn't belong in the room and you need to take it where it belongs? Well, I need a place to collect all this stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and find me a basket, and I'll be right back to collect everything that doesn't belong in this room so I can take it back to the room it belongs to. Don't really know how I'm going to light this setup, but for right now, this is what it's going to, I took it out already. This is what it's going to have to be. So, yep. Alright, you guys, I'm finished organizing my office. It is not, you know, anything too much different. Just reorganization is still just as plain as it was before, but a little bit more functional. So this is what it looks like. Y'all know that spot right there is where the guy fixed the wall, and I just have not painted it. So I will get that done sometime this year. Sometime this year, hopefully I will have my gallery wall up. But this is my desk put back together. And so I have put my umbrella lights right here because I'm going to be using them on and off. So I'm just going to need somewhere where I can just get them in and out without no trouble. This is my desk, still the same. So yeah, and then this is the window area. Still just have the blinds, no window treatments. You guys know I have this rug. I did vacuum clean it today, so it looks a little bit better. This is my sitting area. It is still the same. Just got a couple things in the chair. I need to change that sign. It says December 2019 on it. Still have the same chair and items here. So this is the part that has changed. That is still the closet. And now I have my clothing rack in here. And I've moved my plant over here. This area is really congested. It's hard to get in and out of this closet. But hopefully when I organize it, I won't have to go in and out of it as much, because I really don't even go in and out of it right now, except to get my umbrella lights. So yeah, that's my tripod for me filming the cleanup organization. And this is what the bookshelves look like with the tea cart in between it. I'm gonna have to redo that picture right there so it is centered. Right now it is not centered because I've moved everything over, but once I get it, I will get that centered. And then we're back to our desk area.